guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily. And this is Abigail. Today we're going to be making fluffy slime
for my cat.
And we're going to be selling these to our friends. And so yeah, let's get started. First step is to pour in your glue.
No, don't put a lot.
Oh, I got yours. That's enough. Second step is to put in some baking soda. Don't put too much or else your hands will turn white. So add enough that it will be good. Okay, this is enough. Now it's time to mix it in. And you just want to mix it in until the baking soda disappears into the glue. And if it doesn't look right, add a little bit more baking soda, and then you're just going to mix it in. And I'm going to add a little bit more baking soda for yours. Okay, that's too much.
Yeah. That's one more time.
And you're just going to keep on mixing. Ready for the second step? Shaving cream.
No, I don't do it.
I'm doing mine first. I go first.
Yeah. I'm going to do my eye cream.
A lot of shaving cream. You don't have to add that much, or else it'll dry off so quick. And then after you're done adding that, you're just gonna stir it all up. Okay, that's enough. Okay, I wish. Okay, can we switch? Oh, come on! I added too much. If this doesn't turn out good, I'm gonna have to add more glue.
That's okay.
No, it's not. I want to add more glue. Okay.
So guys,
this is literally shaving cream.
The
I
shaving
need
cream
more
is
glue.
awesome.
Makes it super duper fluffy. Just add a little bit more glue because the shaving cream.
Then we just adding a lot.
We're
adding a lot.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Okay.
Actually,
Oh my.
I would.
We're gonna be leaving our slimes clear white
Forever and ever.
Well, they'll have to stay clear white forever.
Yeah.
Because you didn't even add any food coloring. But
we run out of it.
you can always use marker. It still works, but it'll take a long time.
Yeah.
So next step is to add in your contact lens solution. There we go. And I'm just going to add a little bit of water to thin it out. Okay, add a little bit. And you're just going to add the contact solution a little bit at a time. But it's also clean. It has clean borax in it. It doesn't have the detergent, but it works. It still works. Though, can I please have the contact lens solution?
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I don't care how much I add.
Yeah.
Before I mix it in, get glitter. Glitter.
Oh,
Glitter.
And you might need glitter.
You could never have too much glitter.
And we don't love glitter.
I really love glitter. I was doing a structure project. I was doing a project, and the top of my structure was full of glitter. That's how much I love glitter.
And now we're making slime. And they make good.
Can I please have contact lens solution? I think I added too much shaving cream. I should have done this. This is bad. And also don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Here's, oh, the good thing is that the cap was closed. And then comment down below if we should do the 3 a.m. slime challenge. But I feel like it's like a normal hour, but I think it's a normal hour. Nothing will happen because I watched this video. Nothing really happened at 3 a.m. Well, because it wasn't actually 3 a.m. I was like 10 something, and they were making slime, and they thought that was 3 a.m. Okay, I'm going in with my hands.
No, it's sticky.
Okay, oh my gosh.
We just need the Pokemon.
Okay, oh my. Okay, it's all the bowl. I wish I had that other container. It's so much better.
It's so fluffy. Oh.
I'm digging in with my hands. Oh, disgusting texture.
Wow.
But it still is very pretty, and it's very cool.
You might need to wash your hands.
Of course I have to wash my hands. Look at my hand. My hand's pure white. Oh my gosh. Look, Abs. Look at my hand. Look at my hand.
That looks like a duck hand.
Oh, what the heck? Oh my.
Hey, I take the whole.
You guys hear that? There's a. Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
This is so weird. It's all over my hands now. Some people, when they do 3 a.m. slime, they just run up. They run up back to their beds and then just end the video. But when I do that, that's not gonna happen.
When you watch videos and then the girl that talked.
Oh yeah, there's this girl named Julian. She did 3 a.m. slime.
And
she made eyeball slime for Halloween because it was Friday 13th for her.
Yeah.
And oh my gosh, she's a chatterbox. Like,
yeah.
Oh my.
And
she talks so much. Her videos are nice. I can tell. Like if you see here, you can tell that she likes bright colors. I like bright colors too. And on Easter, you should comment down below if you're gonna make Easter slime for Easter, because I think that would be pretty color.
Yeah, because if you make rainbow
imagine making
that would be pretty for everyone in the world. Yeah.
Okay, this is the slime that I made. I'm just gonna see if it doesn't stick to the table. It does not stick. Does not stick to the table. Oh my, so sticky. Oh my. This is incredible. Oh dear, oh my. And if you're ever selling slime at your school, make sure you pay 25 cents.
And your friends need to buy it.
And if you're
to play with.
I'm actually gonna get my friends time, but
Me
it's
too.
not happening. And that's it. So bye guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Emily. And this is my sister Abigail. And today we're gonna be making slime backwards. And don't forget to